Hi everyone, I'm Hao Chen. Holding this box of Eulong egg rolls feels like holding a piece of a Guangdong childhood. Since 1988, this aroma has been a constant. Today, we're looking at how this 30-year-old classic is embracing a brand new, low-carbon future. To keep the tradition alive while going green, Pilot has powered up Eulong Foods with a massive 500Q10 for kWh energy storage station. Think of it as a new green heart for the factory. This system is built with 4 to 6 1 kWh all-in-one cabinets. It operates on a smart peak shaving strategy, storing energy when it's cheap and releasing it when demand is high. It discharges over 600,000 kWh annually, effectively smoothing out power spikes and significantly cutting energy costs. But it's not just about storage. It's about intelligence. Connected to Pilot's energy management platform, the system monitors everything solar, storage, and consumption in real time, making energy management sharper and more efficient than ever. From the crisp taste of an egg roll to the efficient use of every kilowatt-hour, Pilot is using innovation to protect the flavors we love. We are proud to empower brands like Eulong on their low-carbon journey, and we look forward to powering yours next. Subscribe and stay tuned to power your future. I'm Hao Chen. See you next time.